Really? Apple Notes can do this, this, and this? Is that a note-taking tool or something else? Most people see it as that plain little app sitting on their home screen, something to jot down quick thoughts or reminders. But here's the thing, Apple Notes has quietly become one of the most powerful tools in Apple's lineup. From organizing ideas to scanning documents and adding sketches, it's got way more depth than you'd expect. So let's jump right into some of the coolest use cases of Apple Notes and explore how to use it like a pro. Okay, first up, let's talk about something for students or anyone in meetings. You can now record audio directly into a note. This is so useful if you're in a class and want to capture everything your teacher is saying. You just start recording. It will automatically transcribe everything that's being said live. This is honestly one of the most useful features. We wish we had this in college. Of course, you can still listen to the entire voice recording. If you want to name it, just tap rename and call it whatever you want. When you're done, it's embedded right inside your note. Later, if you need to recall it, you just tap play. You've got all the playback controls right there, so you can study your notes while listening to the original audio for context. Don't think of Apple Notes as just a simple text editor. It's so much more. It's a digital space where you can save practically anything. Let's say you're watching a YouTube video. Just drag it and drop it directly into Notes, and it'll appear as a link with a built-in mini player. You can actually watch the video right there inside your note without switching apps. It's not limited to YouTube either. Almost any website link turns into a clean visual preview, way better than a plain blue hyperlink. But here's where it gets even smarter. If you highlight a snippet of text on a web page and share it to Notes, it saves both the link and your highlighted section as a tidy quote. Tap that link later, and Safari will take you straight to that exact line of text. And it doesn't stop at web content. The drag and drop flexibility extends to files too. Pull a folder from Finder, and you'll get a live link to it right inside your note. Great for organizing projects. Drop in a video or audio file, and you can play it directly from the note. The integration even stretches to Apple Maps. Drag a location or route into a note, and it'll neatly appear alongside your travel plans. Speaking of adding things to your notes, let's move to the next amazing feature, scanning text. It just opens your camera and you can point it at anything, like a textbook. Watch this. We'll grab some text from this book, and you can see it detects the text automatically. Tap Insert, and just like that, the text is fully editable inside your note. This is perfect if you're researching for homework. You can scan entire pages from a magazine or journal and just pull the text right in. But right next to that in the Attachments menu is Scan Document. This works similarly, but scans the whole page as an image or PDF. Let's grab this case. See how it's automatically finding the perspective as we move? It makes it so easy to scan homework or assignments. You can even add filters like grayscale, which makes it look like a standard scanner and makes the text really pop. The quality is just so good. You can add as many pages as you want, and they all save into one document. Now, that same Apple Intelligence that powers the Image Wand does something incredible for anyone who deals with numbers. This is called Math Notes. You can write out an equation with your Apple Pencil, just like you would on paper. Then you write an equal sign, and as soon as you do, Apple Notes will automatically solve it for you. It's not just for simple problems, it works for complex algebra. But here's the pro tip. If you write a formula with variables, like say calculating a loan, you can then change one of the variables and it will update the final answer in real time. It can even generate graphs based on your handwritten equations. It's like having a calculator built into your notebook, and it's all done in your own handwriting. All these tricks are great, but they don't mean much if your notes are a total mess, right? That's why you should manage your notes smartly with smart folders. Instead of manually dragging notes into folders, you can create a smart folder based on rules. For example, you can set one up to automatically pull in any note and was created in the last week. It's a huge time saver. Another organizational tip we already mentioned is Quick Note. That corner swipe is the fastest way to jot something down without having to find the app. And finally, don't forget about collaboration. You can share any note with a friend or a group. It's perfect for group projects or even just sharing a shopping list with your family. So Apple Notes is a complete powerhouse, combining AI, powerful scanning, and incredible pencil integrations. Stop thinking of it as a simple app and start using it like a pro. Which of these tips was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.